Using Rocket Money Bank Connection can be a convenient way to manage your finances. But it is essential to understand when to use it to maximize its benefits. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you make the most out of Rocket Money Bank Connection. First, it is crucial to understand what Rocket Money is and how it works. Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that allows you to track your income and expenses, set budgets, and receive bill reminders. By connecting your bank account to Rocket Money, you can automatically import your transactions, making it easier to monitor your spending and stay on top of your finances. To determine when to use Rocket Money Bank Connection, consider the following scenarios. If you have multiple bank accounts and want to consolidate your financial information in one place, connecting your bank accounts to Rocket Money can help you achieve this. Additionally, if you struggle to keep track of your expenses or have difficulty creating a budget, Rocket Money can help you streamline your financial management. Another scenario where using Rocket Money Bank Connection is beneficial is when you want to receive bill reminders and notifications. By connecting your bank account, you can set up alerts for upcoming bills and payments, ensuring you never miss a payment. Furthermore, if you are trying to reduce your expenses or save money, Rocket Money can help you identify areas where you can cut back and provide you with personalized recommendations to improve your financial health. To get started with Rocket Money Bank Connection, simply navigate to the Rocket Money website or mobile app, click on the Add Account option, and select your bank from the list of supported institutions. You will then be prompted to enter your login credentials. And once you have completed this step, your bank account will be connected to Rocket Money. In terms of best practices, it is essential to regularly review your transactions and update your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. You should also take advantage of Rocket Money's bill tracking feature to stay on top of your payments and avoid late fees. By following these steps and using Rocket Money Bank Connection effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions to improve your financial well-being.